Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore how to create modern poster layout using custom shapes. Click file and select new file in the Photoshop. Then create 2000 by 22,500 canvas. Select rectangle tool from toolbar. Drag a large rectangle covering half canvas. Change rectangle color from top bar. Duplicate rectangle using Ctrl plus J. Resize second rectangle smaller. Change its color slightly darker. Now select type tool. Type your headline text. Increase font size. Adjust lighter spacing from character panel. Align text using move tool. Add subtext below headline. Keep